Welcome to the boating adventure. Well, a very good day to you. It is Sunday the 25th of August 2024 and I'm back in the workshop today. Having completed the backboard, I now have the second job that I'd earmarked to do, and that is to make a new table for the back of the boat. On the deck we've had a little table which attaches to the step, and it just makes a very small occasional table, and it's great when you're sitting there having a cup of coffee or even breakfast. But the original table that I made wasn't very big. It's just not big enough really, and so I've done a bit of measuring and I can make it almost twice as big, not quite. And the original one was made out of MDF, which isn't the best material to use for a boat. It doesn't fare that well in wet conditions. So I've got some ply left over from when I did the backboard, so I'm going to use that to recreate the table and make it a whole lot bigger. I also managed to locate some hinges from Aldi in the middle aisle. There's always something there, isn't there, that you can find of use, and they were very reasonably priced, so I've got a new hinge for the leg of the table. So the first thing I'm going to do is measure up and cut out the top. So here is that little occasional table. When it's not in use, it just slots at the side of the skipper's seat, so that's not a problem. And you can see that the surface area of it is not all that big. I can extend it another 15 centimetres, so it's 20 centimetres from there to there, so almost twice as big but not quite. And it's supported with a single leg. It sort of clips onto the step at the back of the boat, and then this leg drops down onto the step underneath, and that just supports it. And it's very quick and easy to put in, and we find it very useful when we're having drinks and things, to have an extra table at the back of the boat. It needs to be removed because obviously it's blocking the entrance and the exit to the boat. When I made this, as I say, it's MDF, a couple of brackets that you get from IKEA when you buy a wall cupboard or something like that. I've got loads of those left over from flat pack furniture, so that's quite useful. They just hook over, and then the leg is just a single hinge there. I've got a much better hinge, as I say, I can use. So I need to create the top and a new leg. So we'll just pop this leg off for now. All the fitments. I can extend this table, like I say, an extra 15 centimetres. So I've drawn a line on the piece of ply 15 centimetres from the edge. So all I need to do now is to put that table on the line, and then I can just draw around that. And that makes a much more practical surface than before. Just use this bit here to finish that line. So now I can get the trusty jigsaw out and jigsaw that tabletop. I've marked all this out now. This is the leg, and I'm assuming because I've extended the table by 15 centimeters, I'm extending the leg by 15 centimeters, but it's something that can be adjusted when I actually get this to the boat and refit it. That's where the hinge is going to go. It's quite a substantial hinge. So that will fit there, like so, and it'll actually be joined just there on the fold, and that will go onto, that bit there will go onto the leg. So it will fold down in that fashion. Okay, so that's all I've got left of that large piece of ply. So it's done a few jobs. So there's not a lot else to do with this. It's not a very complicated thing to do. It's just put in this, just tidy it up, put it on the sander, and then it's going to be painted up and then attached to the leg and the fitments, and take it to the boat and see how we get on. So there we have the new occasional table installed, and it's next to the new backboard, and the table also, as well as the backboard, has the Relcraft logo. Still to come, the video of our journey to Syston on the River Soar. We've been out on the cut now for 8 days, and the upload speeds on the internet have not been particularly good, so that video will be available as soon as possible. I'd like to say a big thank you for all your support. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, then please consider doing so. It's completely free and it's a great encouragement to us. And if you've enjoyed the videos, please give us a thumbs up and make any comments, as that helps to push the video up the YouTube algorithm, and more people will get to know about the channel. So thank you very much for all your support, and as always, do take care.